Hey, I wanted to show you one of the deer corns that I use. I like a lot. This is Tucker Milling. It's got a molasses flavor to it. Deer really love it. I spend a good bit on it so I can buy it in a pallet and save a good bit. So right now when corn's expensive, you might want to consider trying that product out. I'm going to go spread this. Go feed that to the deer in a minute. And we got a light rain, so they're kind of bedded down here in this wooded area. They'll start walking up this way in just a minute. It's getting into early October. Here are all the deer have already lost their spots. Some of the bucks are starting to show some early rut signs, so they're not coming in as hard right this second, but lots of the babies will be out here in just a minute. Start to see a few coming up through here. It'll be all around you before you can turn around. Coming up out of the woods. A couple little bucks. I'm trying to figure out what I'm filming. Yeah, that rain's kind of got them held off. There'll be 20 or 25 deer out here in 10 minutes. But they love that molasses corn. Highly recommend it.